And here we go. Tom Wilson is storming towards Pierre Crinon after that huge hit on Nathan MacKinnon. You can feel the tension on the ice, the crowd is on its feet, and Wilson is not holding back. Crinon squares up, and they drop the gloves. What a scrap right in front of the French net. This is exactly the kind of intensity you don't see every day in Olympic hockey. Both teams are watching closely, and the referees are ready to step in. And there it is. The officials are calling game misconducts for both Wilson and Crinon. They're both out of the game, and what a moment that was. Wilson had been dominant all night with a goal and an assist, and now he shows why he's not just a scorer but a fighter too. MacKinnon is fine, but that hit certainly shook things up. Fans are buzzing, and highlights of this fight are going to be all over social media. What a dramatic moment in Team Canada versus Team France 2026 Olympics.